Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our Slow English podcast. Today I want to share with you some healthy habits that help me stay energetic, positive, and balanced every day. These are small habits, easy to follow, but they make a big difference. First, I drink a big glass of water right after I wake up. I say, "Good morning," to myself, and then, I drink water. Water wakes me up better than coffee sometimes. It helps my body, gives me hydration, and makes me feel fresh. Drinking water is essential for our health. After that, I do a little morning movement. Maybe a quick stretch, a few yoga moves, or a short walk of 10 minutes. I don't need a gym or heavy exercise, just a gentle movement, enough to wake up my body and my mind. I often say to myself, I stretch my body. Then I feel my muscles waking up and my blood flowing. This helps me stay awake, alert, and ready for the day. Then I prepare a healthy breakfast. I don't eat heavy or greasy food. Usually I choose something simple and nutritious. Fruit, yogurt, or toast with something light. For example, I have fruit and yogurt, or I eat toast with peanut butter. With a healthy breakfast, I have more energy. I feel calm, and I can focus. During the day, I try to move a bit regularly. If I work on a computer, I stand up and walk 2 to 3 minutes every hour. If I feel tired or stressed, I say, I take a break. Then I walk, stretch, or just look outside the window. This small break helps me relax, refresh my mind, and reduce tension. Also, I practice mindfulness and breathing. Just a minute or two. I sit quietly, close my eyes, breathe in slowly, and breathe out slowly. I tell myself, I breathe slowly. I relax. This simple breathing helps me calm down, reduce stress, and feel peaceful. Another good habit is limiting screen time. Mobile phone, social media, computer. Not too much. Instead, I try to read a book, write a few lines in my notebook, or go outside. Fresh air, a short walk, or simply looking at the sky. It's refreshing. These moments help me feel calm and balanced, instead of tired and overwhelmed. In the evening, before bed, I like to reflect on the day. I remember one good thing that happened, maybe a small success, a kind word, or a happy moment. I say to myself, today I am grateful for, and I finish the sentence. This helps me finish the day with a smile, a happy mind, and good sleep. So, these are my healthy habits: water, movement, good food, short breaks, breathing, limited screens, gratitude. Simple habits, but powerful. If you try them, even 1 or 2, you may notice a positive change in your energy and mood. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Stay healthy. Stay happy.